ಹಲೋ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಕಿಶನ್ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್. ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಆರಾಮು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ಯು ಹೌ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಎ ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಎ ಫಾಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೈ ಬೈಕ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮದು ಮೇನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಕ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಅದು ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಅರೌಂಡ್ 8,000 rupees ಫಾರ್ ಎನಿ KTM bikes. So instead of paying it out of my hand, I have started a claim. I have around 7 years of no claim bonus. First couple of years I went with Reliance, and from 5 years I am customer of IFCO Tokyo. I have paid around 18,000 rupees as of now. So thought of utilizing that and have started or initiated the claim process. I will show you how to do that. ನೋಡಿ, just log in to your ಕಂಪ್ನೀಸ್ ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ ಇಫ್ಕೋ ಟೋಕ್ಯೋ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಂದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಡ್ ಮೈ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ನಂಬರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯು ಡ್ರೈವರ್ಸ್ ನೇಮ್, ಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಇಮೇಲ್ ID, ಡ್ರೈವರ್ಸ್ ಲೈಸೆನ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟೆಡ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು, ಲಾಸ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ವೆನ್ ದಟ್ ಬೈಕ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಎ ಫಾಲ್. ವಿದಿನ್ 10 days of your accident you have to start your claim process, else they will reject it. Loss hours adella, that's not mandatory. Anything is fine. I had entered some random number over here, all this part, and just submit. Once you submit it, you will get a claim ID, which I have over here. One sec, I will show you. You can see here, this is the claim ID which I have. By utilizing this, you can contact one of the surveyor in IFCO Tokyo or any other insurance provider. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ they will go and check your bike in authorized service network. You have to give your bike for any of the authorized service network only. In my case it's KTM, so I have given it over KTM Bannerghatta Road. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So they will come and check, they will take the pictures, everything they will do, and once they are done with that, the KTM company will give them the estimate. You can see here, they have given me the estimate for everything together. You can see the triple clamp, the grip assembly, side fairing, all these things. The total estimate which they have given is, including labor, which they have given is 18,600. So I have paid 17,500. I will show you the insurance amount which I have paid up to 7 years. This is the estimate which the KTM company had given to the IFCO Tokyo surveyor. The whole process will take around 3 weeks at least, minimum 3 weeks. It will not be completed within an 1 week period. So once you give your bike to any authorized dealer, it definitely gonna take time. You have to be patient enough. And also now I will go and check what is the progress on my bike. They called me today and told me that it can be delivered within 2 days, couple of days. I gave my bike on 30th of June. Today it's 29th July, so you can check, it's 4 weeks now. So they will be giving it by tomorrow. So let's go there. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫಿಂಗಮ್ದು ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಬೇರೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫೋಟೋ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಇದು ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಕ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್. ಇದು ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ ಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ಎರಡೂ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಪೀಕ್. ಏನಿದು ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ. ಇದು ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಪು. ಇವನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಗಾನ್ along with this master cylinder of brake ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ they have replaced now. So once I get the approval from the insurer, I think we'll get the bike. We will get around 60% max, I guess, for all these plastic parts, as it is 7 years old vehicle. So once that is approved, I can take this back also. You can see my bike now. Most of the things are done. Fairing change ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This is the triple clamp. master cylinder, position lamp, everything is done. So no matter what, it will take around 3 to 4 weeks to complete all the process. Ivaga for bill they will send it to the insurer. As he told, I will be getting around 60% for the plastic parts. That's all. This is all I have for you. Do subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video. Bye.